Hi, Mark here today with Kingdom Roofing. We're out in Northport, Florida, and we're on a standing seam metal job. A lot of customers like to get information on metal roofs. This is one of the most popular ones. So they call this a standing seam because the seam is risen. And what happens, the way these panels go together, is it's called a snap lock panel. It actually drops right over here. Snap it, and the panels lock together, and that's what they call a snap lock standing seam panel. Now another thing is, you can probably see there's some, they call this styrated panel. It has little up and down grooves that are bent in the panel so that will take away any of what they call oil canning or waviness in the panel. So this is standing seam. Now this particular job, when people want to put whole house solar on, this is the clamp that they typically use. You can see it's hooked to the shingle, and then they clamp the solar panels on it. So on this particular roof, the way it works, well, I'm going to step back for a second. A lot of people like to know how these are attached. These have a clip that go on the panel, two screws, and then this panel here is going to come over top of it, hiding those fasteners when it locks in, and these are called hidden fasteners. The other popular metal roofs, they drill the fasteners through the top of the panel, and that's called an exposed fastener roof. So in this particular case, when they take and snap lock the panels together and they want to hook the solar to it, they put this C-clamp on top, fasten it, and then what happens is this bracket right here goes right on top of this, and that is how they're able to mount the solar on without penetrating through the roof panel to attach it. So that's the standing seam panel. Now, what I want to show you over here is we take and custom make every one of these panels to go on every plane of the roof. So they have a roll forming machine, which is already left, and they print out these out of the machine, each panel stacked, and then the installers install them on the roof. So that is the standing seam metal roof. And if you'd like to get more information on that, contact us at Kingdom Roofing, and we'll talk to you again soon.